saying I'm done, they saying I'm through. Many rise against him, yeah, that's true. But I ain't running, I just move how grace do. Even when I hate loud, his voice cut through. They say God won't help him, man, that's cap. I seen him pull me out the trap. Lifted my head when I couldn't bounce back. Shield around my soul like bulletproof glass. But you, oh Lord, are a shield around me. My glory and the lifter of my head. I cried out loud, and you heard me. I laid down, slept and still ain't dead. But you, oh Lord, are a shield around me. My glory and the lifter of my head. I cried out loud, and you heard me. I woke up, mercy ain't fled. 10,000 surround me, but I stay calm, cause I know who keep my arm. Fear can't live where faith belongs. I'm protected even when life goes wrong. Arise, oh Lord, don't delay. Break every chain that block my way. They swing swords, but you still slay. I rest, you fight, that's the play. Salvation ain't in power, fame. It's in the one who called my name. Blessing on your people, saint. Still breathing, still in the game. But you, oh Lord, are a shield around me. My glory and the lifter of my head. I cried out loud, and you heard me. I laid down, slept and still ain't dead. But you, oh Lord, are a shield around me. My glory and the lifter of my head. I cried out loud, and you heard me. I woke up, mercy ain't fled. You can be through the night again. You can be through. You can be through the night again. I'm covered, amen. You can be through the night again. You can be through. You can be through the night again. I'm covered, amen. But you, oh Lord, are a shield around me. My glory and the lifter of my head. I cried out loud, and you heard me. I laid down, slept and still ain't dead. But you, oh Lord, are a shield around me. My glory and the lifter of my head. I cried out loud, and you heard me. I woke up, mercy ain't fled.
And it wouldn't mean a thing, would it?
Yes, you're precisely right. Everything that you thought had meaning, every hope, dream, or moment of happiness, none of it matters as you lie bleeding out on the battlefield. None of it changes what a speeding rock does to a body. We all die. But does that mean our lives are meaningless? Does that mean that there was no point in our being born? Would you say that of our slain comrades? What about their lives? Were they meaningless? They were not! Their memory serves as an example to us all! The courageous fallen, the anguished fallen, their lives have meaning because we, the living, refuse to forget them! And as we ride to certain death, we trust our successors to do the same for us! Because my soldiers do not buckle or yield when faced with the cruelty of this world! My soldiers push forward! My soldiers scream out! My soldiers rage!